Cleo, I am sorry, but that's the situation. Yes, we need to get another donor or wait for a deceased donor as a matter of urgency.
Doctor, why the sudden change? You assured me now.
Yeah, Cleo, I perfectly understand your emotions, but I also want you to understand that I'm not a donor here. Yes, things didn't work out in accordance with plans, but that's not the end. Something can still be done.
Hey, doctor, something cannot be done if you don't do something for me. So what are we going to do?
Well, in this case, he's already on the waiting list. But I think it will be better if we can get a donor as a matter of urgency.
Hey, my enemies, I did not offend anybody while I was growing up, but doctor, I did not do anything bad. So this kind of evil can't be for me.
Madam, you don't have to start crying, okay? This is not time for all this. Do something, call a relative, a friend. Let's do something fast.
It's not sounding good. This news is not sounding good. Okay, I don't know. Where did I keep my phone?
I'll be by office.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ewo.
Why you not really carry this hand? Carry this one higher now.
I never see carry hand up like you.
I beg hold am for real, no be me give you this punishment.
Thunder fire that your mouth when you take the laugh. What did I make you laugh?
Look, let me tell you something. You not go stand up from here until I tell you to make you stand up.
So now you give me all this punishment since why they obey you? Really? Eh?
Oh, just now me give them to you. Yes. Now your punishment be this for waiting you do to me the other time. So that you go learn your lesson.
I'll mess yourself. Finish you.
Everybody know. Everybody know. Everybody know. Everybody know.
I'll make yourself kill you.
Everybody know.
I'll make yourself your own.
Everybody. Leave me alone.
Open this door. I will break this door down. Really? Where my hammer be? I must make sure I kill this calabar with you today.
How can we help you, our allegations?
Well, sir, like I said, I belong to an NGO whose interest is to reward brilliant students and schools based on recommendations from corpus.
Very interesting. But why starting from our school when we have bigger school that has intelligent students?
Well, sir, I must say that a high number of core members recommended your school because of the great work of the principal, who in person is you.
That is very
and
good.
Also the great impact of your teachers.
Yeah, that is very good. Yeah. In fact, I'm as happy as a newborn baby. You said about reward. What exactly is it? Money or scholarship?
Sir, it all depends. For students, we have scholarships and money for them. Not leaving the principal and the teachers. We have a token for them.
Okay, no problem. As long as we also will benefit. Where can we start from?
What? She has not been taking her calls? Wait a minute. Have you tried calling her with a different line? Oh, okay, fine. Just hold on, okay? Let me try calling her, okay? Just hold on.
I'm sorry about that, sir. So, shall we proceed?
No problem. So how and where would you like us to start?
Let's start from students you had years back and see how we can impact.
I thought you have asked of this year, but no problem. Let me call my secretary.
Okay, sir.
Why is Zara not taking her calls? Where could she be? What's going on? Ibuka, I am talking to you. What's going on? Answer me.
She wouldn't take my calls since yesterday she left the house.
She left the house? To where?
She wouldn't tell me. She left the house without telling me where she's going.
So, you mean you don't know where she might be at
I
this
don't
time?
know. That's exactly what I'm telling you. I don't know. I've called her. She's not taking the calls. I don't know.
I know. I also tried calling her too, but I think we should go to the police. Yes.
Customer, the
Yeah,
MTN
maybe
number
one
you
will
have
go to the
dialed is
police and then we
currently
can,
switched off.
declare her
Try
missing
again
or something.
later. Thank you.
Numbers are even off. I can't reach her anywhere. At first, she wasn't taking the calls. Now it's switched off. No. This. Same thing.
Madam, these are the files of the corporals we had from the last few years.
Oh, okay. And sorry, sir. Who is the girl in the pictures?
She is Benita Mokere. She was our brightest student. She was the best student to win scholarship in this our school and only one to win state government award. Benita, the pride of our state.
Oh. Wow. She must really be a very intelligent girl to have achieved all this.
Yes.
So where is she now?
She's dead. Are you okay, madam?
Oh! Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I was just wondering how a very intelligent girl like that just died. I mean, what happened?
She was sick, so like her. That was shortly after the coppers have left. It was a complicated story.
Where's my wife?
Mr. Ibuka, I hope all is well.
Will you call me that princess and answer the damn question? Where is my wife?
How am I supposed to know your wife's whereabouts?
Are you asking me that stupid question? My wife leaving to an unknown destination was your idea. Now I cannot reach my wife. What have you done to her?
Mr. Ibuka, your wife is my patient. I couldn't have done anything to her. Moreover, her leaving is her decision, not mine.
You can lie all you want. I am giving you 24 hours to provide my wife. Else, I'll report you to the force and you will be charged for kidnapping. 24 hours. The next time I come back here, I won't be this nice. 24 hours. That's all I can tell you.
Jesus.
That's Papa Ebuka. He was the one who recommended this school.
Yes. He was one of the best copper this school had in recent time.
Oh.
He was very good to the students and was loved by all.
And I can see some other guy beside him. Who is he?
Okay, that is Copper Uche, a close friend to Copper Ebuka when they were here.
And the girl seems to be holding an award.
Yes. Benita.
Yes.
That was when she was given the scholarship.
Wow. I'm so sure this will be a hard one on her family.
Obviously, my dear.
Please, where is her address? I would like to pay a visit to her family.
Okay, sure. I will give you. Okay. But I hope you will come back here, right?
Oh, sure, definitely. Sure.
All right. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Am I really doing this?
Am I actually facing my nightmare? I know I had signed up for this when I took a flight to Enugu and boarded a bus to Ebonyi and down here in Ikwo. But am I ready for the worst? Once I knock and the door opens, there is no going back. Well, I have gone too far to turn back. I'm here already. And I have to be ready for whatever that comes.
Some women are victims of lies and deception. Some women are victims of impossible expectations. No, they are never.
As you can see, this is my mother. And the girl beside her is my late sister's best friend, Benita.
Is she blind?
As you can see. Didi, let's go. Need to sit. We can talk about this. Lady, please explain to this young lady how your best friend and my sister was killed.
I am Didi, Benita's closest friend. Benita died on June 20th.
June 20th?
How ironic.
Yes.
That was the exact day
it was her birthday.
I got married too.
And she didn't come to school that very day. It was very strange because we've been planning the birthday together. I have to come check on her after school hours. Benita! 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 Benita, what happened to you? What happened to you? What is it? Talk to me. Talk to me. Mama! Mama! Benita, what is it? What is it, please? Please, Oma! Benita, talk to me, please. Please, talk to me.
He raped me and gave me this medicine to drink. When I told him I'm pregnant.
Who was that? Who? Benita. Please, Benita, please. Stay, I'm coming. Please, Benita, I'm coming. Let me come, Mama.
so much and couldn't talk about any other couple except him. She always tells me how she wants him to date her, though with no sex.
And that was how she lost one of her legs and the two of her eyes. I had this dream of becoming a medical doctor, studying in Unilag. As it stands, I have no choice than to stay back and take good care of my mom.
I am so sorry.
Your sorry will not bring back my dead sister or restore my mother's sight and her leg. I did what I did because I wanted to revenge. My plans was to rape you right before him, then shoot him in his eyes and leg. How I didn't achieve that is a mystery. I am ready for you to arrest me. I am not sorry for what I did.
This is 3:30 p.m. and her number is still not connecting. Same thing. Oh my gosh.
Chizara, what brought this idea into your head? So you want to lie to the school just to get information?
Even the offer is too good to just be a bait.
I'll tell them the truth when I get what I want. As for the offer, I'll pick a student from that school and enroll in scholarship to pacify them.
So, how do you want me to convince your husband that you're traveling to an unknown location?
Use your capacity as the therapist to convince him. My husband will not blink an eye if he learns this will help me heal sexually.
What about your plan to put off your phone when you eventually traveled? How will he take it? I'm afraid he might come at me. And that will be bad for my career if he goes public.
No. No one is going to come after you. Not even my husband. Like I said, my husband will take this. If he learns, it's going to help me become sexually active.
Chizara, do you have to do this?
I have to.
Even if, why not do it another way?
Okay. Which other way? I need answers. I need to know what exactly happened to me. And until I figure that out, I will never heal completely. This is something I really had to do. Please help me.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm going to give you an alternative phone number to reach me, just in case. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. You'll be alright. She gave me a number the last day she was going. Oh my God. Where did I drop it? Oh God. Thank you. Hello, Miss Choma.
Thank God I finally got you on the line. I forgot you gave me another number. What is going on? Have you gotten any useful information?
Yes. Everything is clear to me now.
Thank God. Chizera, you have to start coming back this evening if possible. Can you imagine your husband came to my office? He even promised to arrest me if I didn't provide you within 24 hours.
Don't worry yourself. He won't do it. Anyway, I would board a flight tomorrow morning.
Better. But why don't you call him? He's worried sick.
Don't worry.
If he says so, it's okay. But please, do as you have said.
I will.
Thank you. Bye. Please take care of yourself.
Bye.
Thank you.
This revelation is too much to take. How could you, Ebuka? How could you?
Benita has 2 books that she records events that will explain everything. Yes, she might be throwing herself at him, but he would have understood better. He was her teacher. He raped her, destroyed her and killed her. I have one of the books with me. One is still missing. We don't know where she kept it. Do you need it?
Who is Copper E?
That is Copper Ebuka. That's what Benita always call him.
The doctor told me the conversation you had with him. Is it true?
I won't joke with such a serious matter.
Oh, Mama. Really? You mean you can do this for my son? Hi. Hi. And honestly, I lack the right word to say. And I will say thank you. God bless you. Eh? Forgive me for every wrong I have done to you in the past. Say I'm sorry. Woman, wow. Oh, you got enough. You know I'm your mother. I'm sorry. Oh.
So I am no longer a witch. You're not going to call me a witch again.
No, now. How can a good woman like you be a witch? And you're beautiful. Beautiful women cannot be witches. You know I judged you wrongly. But now I know better. I am sorry. Please find it to your heart to forgive me. Woman, oh?
Me, a good woman. Mama, you opened this your mouth to call me a good woman.
Hey, how can you say something like that? You should know you're a good woman.
Well, for now, I don't have anything to say. Let my husband get well first.
Get well, don't say anything. Oh, just continue to maintain your goodness.
Psalm 35. Oppose those who oppose me, Lord.
Huh?
And fight against those who fight against me.
You can't be serious. No, this is turning into something else. Let's see, Ibuka. I'm suggesting we go to the police first thing tomorrow morning to report her missing. Okay? Yes, that's fine. Sorry, bro. There's a call coming into my phone now, okay? Let me take the call. I'll call you back.
Hello? Uche? It's me.
Hey, Zara. Zara, how you doing? Where have you been? You got everyone worried. Oh, yes. I just finished speaking with Ibuka on the phone. In fact, we are planning on going to the police first thing tomorrow morning to report you missing.
Uche. Ibuka is a murderer. I am coming back to divorce him. I'm so sorry I left you. Please, will you take me back?
Zara, is this a form of joke or what?
I mean every word I just said. I'm coming tomorrow straight to your house. Should I?
Sure. Yes.
It is not fair how some women
hello?
are treated badly. It is so unfair how some pay for the crime they never committed. Some men are so cruel, so wicked to them. Some ask for the impossible from her. They hold her responsible for everything. They blame her. It is so unfair. They don't even care. Chineke biko.
Ibuka, just calm down, okay?
How can I calm down? How? My wife has been gone for days now. I don't even know her whereabouts. I can't even reach her on the phone.
But it's just 2 days. I mean, it's just 2 days she left. I think we should just give it some time, maybe like tomorrow or next.
What do you mean 2 days? So 2 days is not enough to think about my woman? What if something bad had happened to her?
But come to think of it, Ebuka, I mean, why would she just leave the house all of a sudden? I think there's something you're not telling me. What did you do to her?
Are you for real now? Are you trying to blame me for my wife's disappearance? What could I have possibly done to tease her? The girl I love so much. Are you being serious now?
Ebuka, it's not like I'm blaming you, but there is no smoke without fire. I am your friend. Just confide in me.
Look,
Talk to me.
Uche, I am battling already with my wife's disappearance. Please, don't compound to it. What do you mean there's no smoke without fire? Can you stop already, please?
Oh, okay, it's all right. That's fine. That's fine. So, what should we do now?
That is what you're meant to be asking me. We put heads together and know what to do. It's not to blame me. I don't even know. I don't know what to do now because I've been calling. She's not taking her calls. Obviously, don't know how I feel. I feel so down. So down.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. That's okay. We'll just take the possibly next step, okay? It's fine.
Pick your call. Okay.
Ebuka. He's a monster. He's murderer. I regret getting married to him.
You're making me confused. What's going on?
Make love to me.
What?
I need you right now.
No, Zara, calm down, okay? Just tell me where you've been all this while.
To copy this tune, press 1. To copy this tune, press 1.
Pick your call now. Pick your call. Pick your call.
It's obvious I still love him. Somehow, I'm glad I finally did this with him. Somehow, I have managed to overcome my sexual problem. To even think I asked him to make love to me, though painful, but it was beautiful. He had waited so long for this, and I am glad he's happy now. As for that murderer and rapist, I am done with him. In the morning, I'll go there, pack my stuff, while Uche handles everything about our travels. I'll get the divorce papers and serve him as soon as possible.
Hey, beautiful. I've missed you so much now.
Miss you too, Uche.
Cleo, are you sure you want to do this?
I have to.
You have to or you want to?
I have to. I am tired of seeing my husband lying in that sick bay without me doing anything for him. So now that I can do something, I better do it fast. Wait.
What about your girls? The summer holidays are over. I believe they're coming back home soon.
My sister will take care of them.
Have you thought about how they will cope?
My sister will take care of them just like I told you earlier. She'll take care of them. Don't worry about it. At least during my recovery process, they will be with her. Before then, my husband, Lookin, will be okay. He's still there. He will help me out. Just please, I want to concentrate and look for this particular file.
I just hope you have a rethink about this.
Yeah.
And I hope you know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing. I bought these files from my husband's wardrobe.
Well, if you say so, I'll support you. What are friends for? What is it?
Mr. Secret Keeper, Shebi you sabi keep secret. Remember say, anything hidden will one day come out. Oh, it will come out one day, one day. Tell your wife the truth, oh, about your past before it's too late. Oh, she has gone through a lot.
Maybe I never loved this man after all. Maybe I had actually been too hasty in jumping into a relationship with him. But I had actually loved him at some point. Or maybe so I thought. No one is stressing myself any further. He had lied. And it's too late for any redemption.
Baby, where have you been? I've been calling you, you're not taking calls, you're not calling me back. You got me worried. I got scared. What happened?
I went to Ikwo. But I'm here now. Ebuka, is there anything you want to tell me?
You went to Ikwo? Oh, baby, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I hid that secret from you. I love you. I love you so much. You're all I have. I didn't tell you because I don't want to lose you.
Lame excuse. Lame excuse, Ebuka. Anyway, you can keep your pathetic apologies to yourself. I don't need them. I now know the truth. Wait, you thought by buying me beautiful things would entice me and make me not to suspect you? Was that how stupid you thought I was?
Mother, what's going on here? She's not here yet?
Doctor, she's not here. I've been calling her line since. And she has not been taking her calls. Right now her phone is switched off. Did she pick yours?
No. I called her severally, but she didn't pick.
Hey! Doctor, what do we do?
I don't know. Maybe you should send someone to check if she's still in the house. Or you go there by yourself.
Hey, Doctor, she's not like this. So I hope nothing bad has happened to her.
Madam,
on her way to
Madam, please, you better find a way to reach her, alright? It's a matter of urgency. Excuse me.
Where do I go from here? What next? Gave also.
Mama.
Eh?
Don't worry. I know my wife, she will come.
Are you sure she's not trying to be vindictive? To pay me back for everything I've done to her? Oh.
Don't worry, she will come. Baby, please, I did what I did to protect you. So you won't look at me like a monster.
You are a monster! Ebuka, you are nothing but a monster! You know what? I so much regret ever getting married to you in the first place. I should have waited to forgive Uche.
Forgive Uche? What do you mean, forgive Uche?
Well, let's say you're not the only one keeping secrets here. I dated Uche before I met you.
But so you are not in the police net yet? You have not been arrested?
Excuse me. Who the hell are you and what are you talking about?
Oh, stop! You know who I am and you know what I am talking about. You caused the death of my cousin Benita. You raped her!
Are you nuts or something? How could they accuse me of such a crime? Do you know the implication of what you just said?
I am not accusing you. I am only saying what you have done. You are supposed to rot in jail. So, because you have an uncle who is in the police force, you think you can get away with that? No.
Now listen, if you don't shut this thing you call mouth, I'll help you to shut it up.
So you still have the guts to raise your voice?
I said shut up and stop embarrassing me.
Do you think I am that village girl you shout at? No. You are supposed to rot in jail.
Excuse me? What's going on? Hello?
Honey, I think she's high on cheap drugs or something. I think we have to leave this place so I don't kill somebody out of anger.
Hey! This will not be your first time of killing, but it will be your last.
What is she talking about?
You should know who you are hanging out with.
Honey, I think she has psychotic disorder. Come on, honey, you should know them when you see one, okay? Let's just.
As long as you are in this town, I swear